you doing? Hello, everybody.
How you doing? How you doing?
You look cute. So do you. Like gorgeous.
This is
It's a love fest right
It's
here.
a lot of love right now.
I know there's a
Really.
love fest.
You look on your face. It was the best comedy. Thank you.
That's
With
it.
both hands. Both hearts.
That's sincerity. Like,
China, I host an after show for Black Lightning on AfterBuzz TV, and one of the things our fans have really been excited for and look forward to is seeing you in the costume. And I know we're only 3 episodes in, but have you tried one on? Have they measured you for the costume?
Oh, they definitely measured me for one.
Yes.
what are your feelings on it?
Okay. I can't say too much about it, but you guys are gonna love it. It's very different from Thunder and Black Lightning.
Okay.
I'll just say that. Yes, I have had a fitting.
How does Jennifer go about this season dealing with now being a part of a superhero family, being a superhero-esque in herself? Having these abilities now, having to fight off people.
Incredibles.
Yeah,
Right.
Like really dark version. You see,
Like
so,
you the Violet that just like, yo, I'm here.
Yo, she's struggling with it. I feel like she'll always kind of struggle with it until she becomes more confident in who she is. Because she's a teenager. She's still just trying to get used to dealing with peer pressure and just simple things about being a teenager. So
Yeah.
you add superhero, you add superpowers on top of that, it just makes everything more complicated for a kid. So I think she's still going to struggle with it for a while, but that's not going to stop her from suiting up. Don't worry.
Speaking of struggling with things as a teenager, how many cell phones is Jennifer gonna go through?
Bro, how many is she going through on the show so far?
Like 2 or 3?
Yeah, like
and
two
they high price iPhones. I'm like, yo, what type of
And
insurance
that was toward the end of the season. Now you got a whole season
worth of iPhones to go through?
That's actually true. And when they showed up with new phones, like, this is your new phone on set, I'm like, how do her parents keep buying her new phones? Like,
At what point don't they just give?
I would go without a phone.
Or just get you a cricket, phone and like, yo, you gonna deal with this?
Can they give you like a phone case that like
Right, a pager or something. It doesn't work.
her parents will be like, you have to do this. We are spending so much money on phones.
Right.
Please,
I'm
get
like,
something.
my parents would be like, you ain't getting a new phone. We're going to get you a little flip phone or something.
No school, no kids. They don't break through nothing.
Thank you.
Electricity and a brick phone.
So now he's just announced Painkiller. What do you think the relationship is going? What the dynamic will be between you and him now?
Oh, man. She acts like she doesn't have time for him, and like she hates him because of how we ended last season. He basically killed her mom, you know? But it's complicated because he doesn't know that Black Lightning is her father, and he doesn't know that she has superpowers. So all of this is a very complicated situation, but she acts like she doesn't have time for him, but I think that deep in her heart she does.
I got a question about that. So Painkiller was in the school, right? When it was broad daylight, right?
I know.
And your daddy is a 6'10" principal, the biggest black dude in Atlanta Light, as I like to call Freeland, and Atlanta Light. And when he walked past, Jennifer yelled out, "Dad!" Like, how come nobody else heard that?
Right. Right.
Yo,
it was so obvious.
It was like clearly
But
obvious. I
it
was
was
like,
bad though because I asked while we were filming it, I was like, should I not be calling him dad, y'all? But I think that that's one thing that kind of slipped through the cracks. In the tape, because I was seeing my father laying there, like after he got hit in the chest. So me yelling out dad was just instinctual for me. So I guess it would be instinctual for Jennifer as well. But that's a good question.
you know what I'm saying? I'm like,
That's a good question.
He the only 6'10" dude in Freeland, by
Cut
the way.
that out of all the interviews.
Like what I'm saying. I'm just saying, there's only 6'10" dude in Freeland with the same beard. And everybody just like, I have no idea
He
who
could
Black
have
Lightning.
shaved.
Or put on a toupee or something. I mean, get that man a hoodie. Right, give him a hoodie or something. You know what I'm saying?
Y'all would have killed Salim if he had an afro.
No, I wouldn't.
You would have been okay with
I'd have been tweeting crazy jokes to him like, hey man, shouts out to Black Lightning with all this electric static hair.
Okay, we're going to try and do a dream sequence this season for y'all.
Don't do that. Please, God, don't do that.
A year ago, you came out here and the show had not aired yet, but now that you're back a year later, and fans know who you are. How is it for you this time of conference?
Oh my God. Well, it was strange last year at Comic-Con because I had a lot of fans from Disney, from Descendants. So it's kind of been the same, weirdly enough. But now we have more fans of like the show as a whole. Like, we had a full house just in at our panel. It was crazy. When we walked out, like 6,000 people. They had to bring in more seats for people to file in, and it was insane. And that was something that we didn't have last year because nobody knew. They hadn't seen the show, and they also didn't know who Black Lightning was. I didn't even know who Black Lightning was before I got the audition. So now that people are woke to it and they're aware, it's been huge for the show this year. Yeah.
So your personal life, you've done music and stuff like that. So and music plays a big part of Black Lightning. Do you think we could ever see some original music
She got so excited right there.
I did.
What was the question?
What a good idea.
Get her own music on the show.
If I could do some original music for the show. I never really thought about it, to be
like your
honest.
character, like because she's in high school, she's going to see different things besides.
If she would start singing.
Or she become a producer because she in Atlanta Light
That's
again.
Atlanta Light, that's true. I would honestly have to think about that. But if Celine came to me and had written that and was like, I want you to do it, then I probably would do it. So you just opened up a door.
Coming from the Descendants to this, you have like Descendants is kind of lighter in action, and we haven't seen you in the suit yet, but we know it's coming now. Are you getting ready for these action sequences? Are you getting pumped in the gyms and excited?
Well, I just finished filming Descendants 3, not even a month ago. So we had 4 weeks of fight rehearsals and dance rehearsals and all of that for Descendants. So I feel like that's really going to help me in getting ready to play Lightning. And I'm really excited about that. I wonder how much Jennifer's going to fight and how much is just going to be her powers, because she's pretty powerful, So yeah, I think that Descendants definitely helped me with the fight sequences.
Thank you so much for your time, Trevor.
Thank you.
Appreciate you.
Thank you guys so much. Y'all